Hello, I'm Tim Baker. I'm a theatre director and I'm going to tell you about a play I'm directing that I'm excited about because for once I'm doing a play which is true story, and it's a very contemporary true story. It's about two nations in battle with each other, and both those nations are on the British Isles. So it begins 50 years ago, in fact, when Liverpool decided they wanted to expand their water resources, and they chose a valley in Wales without asking the people who lived in the valley in Wales. It became a huge issue. It created a lot of protest in Wales. There's a lot of big history behind it all, and we've made a play out of it because it was 50 years ago, and recently Liverpool apologised to Wales for what they did. But the actual story is phenomenal. It's about people trying to protest. It's about people trying to live where they've always lived without the might of the big city and lawyers taking them over. It's amazing because it actually happened in the sense that the community were thrown out of their houses in this valley in Wales. You can go there, you can drive there and see it. The community were thrown out, and a reservoir was made, which is still there now. And there's a big question over whether Liverpool ever wanted the water in the first place, but there was very angry battles between the desire to save the community and Wales as a nation. It's a very Welsh play. It's a very angry play. It's also a very funny play because we're looking at some of the more, as it were, humorous and sarcastic aspects of the story. And it's also a very stylish piece of theatre. It's on our main stage. There's 12 actors in it, and they do a lot of very slick work in creating all the situations that happen in the play, and we love doing it. It opens next week, and it runs from the 16th of October through, and we're very excited about it, and we'd love you to come and see it and see a piece of really powerful, contemporary, modern, angry, funny, professional theatre. So come along and join us.